A good Thursday morning to you, and welcome to another edition of A Minute in His Word. You know, your life, your new life in Christ is an adventure. It's really a love story, but it's also full of adversity. And Jesus would tell His disciples right before He was going to be offered up that in this world you would have tribulations, you would have trials, you would have distress. He mentions this in John 16 and 33. But He assured them that He had overcome the world. This love story that we're fulfilling in our life, Jesus said He'd always be with us. Let's look at Deuteronomy 33 and 27. He says, "The eternal God is your refuge, and underneath are everlasting arms." So in this race that we're trying to win and run today, God is with us. He's right beside us, ever leading us into all truth today. So rest in His peace. Rest in the assurance that this love story has a good ending today. Hey, have a Jesus-filled day. And we'll see you tomorrow at the same time.